How to change primary email in LinkedIn. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your primary email on LinkedIn. First, navigate to the web browser and reach the LinkedIn website. Once logged in, click on your account shown at the top. Now choose the Settings and Privacy option. On the left side, you will find the Sign In and Security options. After that, click on it and select the Email Address option. Following that, you will find the primary email here. Now hit the Add Address option and enter the code sent to your email. To check the code, reach your Gmail and copy the code. Then add it in the given area and click on Submit. Here, add your new email address and password. After that, it will show you the new email as your secondary email. Now reach your Gmail and click on the provided link sent by LinkedIn. Following that, enter your email address and password and hit the Agree and Join button. You can also continue with Google by choosing your Google account. To verify yourself, you need to pass a test provided by them. In this way, you'll be able to change your primary email on LinkedIn. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.